Yeah, what's up, traders? You're welcome to Forex Success. So, guys, for many reasons, some of you have been asking me, how do you trade crash and boom? Okay, I'm gonna give you my strategy for scalping crash and boom. Yeah. Okay, first thing first, this is a naked chart, so I'm gonna show you how you can trade crash and boom. And if we get any opportunity, we are going to trade it live together in this video. So the first thing you just need to first of all, you put your time frame at 1 minute time frame, and then the zoom level, make it the third zoom level. This is the first zoom level, the smallest one. First zoom level, if I zoom it out once, second zoom level, okay, sorry, first zoom level, okay, this first, second, you notice how it's getting bigger, third, so this is the third zoom level. This is what we're going to be using. So the next thing you want to do is to put one special indicator. It's called the average directional movement index. As you can see, it's the first one here. You select it, then you set it on period 50. The star, you make it 2 pixel. Then for those levels here, the levels, you are going to set it just like the ones on my screen: 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 0 and 0. Then you go back, then it's already on all time frame. Then the slide, this is 1 pixel and this is 2 pixel. As you can see, that's for the D plus. Put it on 2 pixel as well. This is 1 pixel, this is 2 pixel. D negative, also 2 pixel, right? So for the D negative, use the color of your screen. My screen is white, so I'm going to be using white. Then for the D plus, which is this, I will be using green. Then for the star, also 2 pixel, use the color of your screen as well. Then you click done. That's good, guys. That's good. So this is my average directional movement. I'll be adding another indicator, which is the commodity channel index. Commodity channel index, that's what I'll be adding now. So this is average directional movement already on my screen. Commodity channel index, so let's add that on indicator window 1. Commodity channel index, period 14, apply to typical price, the levels -100 and 100. Then I think that's all. Close to, just use the color. Okay, let's use a color. Let's use this color. Something, I don't want something that will appear too much. Let it just be like almost the color of my screen. So you click done. So this is the average, the commodity channel index, this black one here. That's it. Then the last indicator we'll be adding is moving average 10. We'll be adding period 10 still on indicator window 1. Moving average period 10. Shift 0. Method, make it simple. No, sorry, method should be simple. Apply to close. Then guys, please pay attention to this. Then the color we're going to be using, let's use red. It should be 4 pixels. Then click done. Right, so this is it on my screen. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Last indicator is the market facilitation index. Market facilitation index. Guys, don't worry, just stay tuned. You're gonna enjoy this strategy. I know of a student from US who turned her $3,000 to $150,000 with this strategy. Trust me. Yeah, she did it with this strategy. So market facilitation index, the volume up, just as you can see it on my screen. Volume should be thick. Line width, volume stick, line width, make it 4 pixel. The MFI up green, MFI down black. MFI down, we use black. Then the MFI up, we use black. Then the MFI down, we use green. Is this the green? Okay, there's the green. So yeah, MFI up, green. Then the MFI down, black. So that's how we'll set it. We're done. The line width should be 4 pixels, not 1 pixel. Everything should be 4 pixels. 4 pixels. Sorry guys. Why is it not working? Okay, let's click done. Okay, yeah, it's good like this. It's good like this. Now this is the point where I now need to explain to you how you can use this strategy. Yeah, this is where I need to explain to you how you can use this strategy. Now let's watch, guys. Watch carefully. This strategy, you use it to say crash 500 and crash 1000, and then you use it to buy boom 500 and boom 1000. Take note of these rules. You buy that, which means that you are catching only in the spike. So what does this mean? What I want to first do is, I don't want to push my screen to this end. Instead, I want to push it towards this end so that I will get the accurate one. Starting from this point. For example, this point. I don't want to push it here to get it. I want to push it here, because that's where I likely get the accurate position. Where is that? Okay, guys, the accurate position is most likely gotten from there. So what this means is that for this trade now, or this market now, this is an example. So how do you sell? How do you sell crash 1000? Let's first make an example. How do you sell crash 1000? You sell crash 1000 when you see this red moving average, or this red line enters the overbought level, which is from 70 upwards is overbought level, and from 20 downwards is oversold level. Is that okay? From 20 downwards, or okay, anything below this 20 is oversold level. Anything above this 70 is overbought level. Is that okay, guys? So you sell crash 500 when you see that this guy is in the overbought level, and then it crosses above this line. Once it crosses above it, what does that mean? It means that you will get a spike in no time. Is that okay? It means that it's going to spike. Then you see this black bar here. When this black bar, a long black bar, occur after a spike, it means that another spike might happen. So it indicates a possible spike again. So when this black bar appear, you can decide to wait and then catch another spike again, and then you close. Is that good, guys? So let's check out more examples. The strategy is working. Trust me. Like I said before, a student of mine made so much money from this strategy. I know what I'm saying. So this is another point to enter again. Price got into the overbought level and then crossed above this guy, right? Crossed above these lines. And then what do? You sold from here. This is where the intersection is, which means you sold from here. Price came down, gave this one spike, pushed up, and then spike. You saw a black bar, you are patient. It pushed up like to here, then spike, right? It spiked all the way to the downside, right, guys? So if you were the one who is patient, you might also catch all the spikes. It's always working. Let's go look for another example. Even this one, also another good example. Now look at another sweet example here. Price was pushing up. At this point, what happened? Spike, and then you make profit. Then you go out of the market. It's a scalping strategy for spike catching. I won't be talking about all these ones because you can't catch all the spike in the market. You are not a thief. You can't catch all the spike in the market. That's why you see all these ones that are not in place. Just go for only the ones that are in position that meets up with your conditions. You price push into this overbought and crosses above this line. What do? You sell, and then you catch that spike. It's a green bar. that was created, you are not interested in holding, you close your trade and make your profit. Here again, what do? You got in, it caught one spike, it created a black bar, you waited again, catch that second longer spike, and what do? You're out, right? That's a good strategy, guys. Crash and boom, best strategy. I named the strategy unbeatable strategy for crash and boom, and a lot of people made money from this strategy. I'm glad a lot of people made money from this strategy. So cost here spiked, right? This is crash 1000. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. In the next video, I'm gonna do explanation of boom 1000. So it crossed here, another spike for boom 1000, boom crash 500. Here again, another opportunity, cross spikes. You can see the first spike was black bar, you waited again for the next one, right? That's just how this strategy works. Spike, once that condition is met, price pushed into this overbought. Once you enter the overbought, please don't sell. Wait for it to at least cross this first line here. Once it crosses it, then you can sell, right? Once it just crosses it, then you can sell. Catch a spike. If you see a black bar, be patient and wait again, then you are enjoying your profits, right? The reason why many people fail on this strategy is greed. Many of them it will spike, they won't take their profit. They'll be waiting for what I don't know. So that's just it, guys. It's a very good strategy. Cross above here, sell, you caught this spike, you saw a black bar, you waited, you caught the second spike, you saw another black bar. What did you do? Catch another spike, then you saw a green bar. Probably before you even close, you see the spike again. So that's just how this strategy works. Here again, many times it's always working. Cross here again, what happens? Spike, black bar. Look at it, black bar, spike again, another black bar, spike, another black bar, spike. This is where, so you saw another black bar again here, but then it started pushing up to here, then spike, then you saw green bar. So this is where you run. Is that okay, guys? So thank you for watching this video. Anyways, we are trading synthetic indices. The link to create an account is at the description of this video. Also at the comment section of this video. Click that link and create an account. Join our Telegram group where we drop free trading signals for you to make money. So guys, this strategy is very sweet. Let's try crash 1000 before we go. It's a very sweet strategy. Anyways, I will always advise backtest or strategies on your demo account before you use them on a real account. I know testimonies of people whom made so much money with this strategy. Now look, sweet position right here, guys. I wish there was a condition right now. I would really love to trade this thing live. I do it every time. If you check my videos, I trade step index live with the step index strategy. In case you don't know, please go watch that step index strategy and learn that strategy there so that you can be making money too. So it crossed above right here, and then what? Spike, black candle, I'm patiently waiting, another spike, black candle, I'm still waiting, boom, another spike, black candle, I'm still waiting, but this is where it got to. So this is an advice for you guys. Please, you see your spike, you see black candle, another spike, black candle, another spike, and you see this guy still going up with that giving you the spike that you're looking for. Guys, you can't be waiting for it now. I mean, you've gotten this one, you've gotten the second one, you've gotten this third one. You can't allow your profit to go away. So what you should do is probably you put your stop loss above this high or even above this high. You put your stop loss above that high or even above that other high. Is that okay? But from experience, I will tell you that this black bar and green bar, they works better for the 500, for crash 500 especially. It works better for crash 500 especially. So that's all I'm gonna say to you guys today. I think this is where I get to see. Peace out. Like I said, it works for crash 1000, crash 500 better. You see, it crossed above here. We got a spike, but it gave us green one. You get then, so it works better. So for the green bar and black bar, focus on crash 500. But however, the strategy generally works for both crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, and boom 1000. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button